Hello friends from YouTube, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the motherboard on this LG cell phone. Um, this is an old phone, but some people are still using it. Everything you do is in your own risk. I am not responsible for any damage that you cause to your cell phone. This video is for education purpose only. Please back up your data before you tear down your phone or before you fix your phone, because if you lose your data, then there is no way to recover it. If, let's say, if the phone doesn't turn on or something happened, then your data is lost. So always back up first. Thank you. So this is LG phone, and that's the model L5777. That's the phone model. Okay, so also before you open or tear down any electronic device, it's a good idea to wear one of these bracelet anti-static. So we're gonna use a set of screwdrivers. Okay, so to remove the back cover first, and then the battery right here. Make sure the phone is off. So this one is off. So we're gonna remove all these screws. So we have 12 screws. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so so we're gonna use the Phillips screwdriver, and I have this magnetic here. The good thing is that all these screws are the same size. Okay, so I'm gonna remove them, and then I'm gonna pause my video so it won't be super long. Thank you. Okay, I am removing the last screw here. Also, if your phone has extra card, make sure remove it first. Okay, so I got it here, so I'm gonna remove it. And now we're gonna start going here on the side of the phone. Remember to make sure to save the volume and the buttons, the power button, because make sure it's make sure you see how it's installed. Okay, so first you see right here, try to open it the back. Okay, so be careful with the volume and button that don't come out. Okay, because when I press this one, this button came out. So, but I already put it in the place. Okay, so right here is the pen. So we're gonna remove 3 cables. Right here, this is the LCD cable. Okay. Then we need to remove the camera right there. Put it on the side, and then the other camera. Okay. This is the front camera. Okay, the good thing about this phone is that the motherboard is not holding. It's not holding any screws. You see? So right there. This is the motherboard. Okay, so this is the LCD and digitizer. Okay, so let's put the new, maybe not new, but used motherboard. Make sure when you order a part for on any device, make sure you order from the part number of the part, not from the model, because I did order before some parts just checking the model of the phone, and then when the part arrive, it's not compatible. So you need to make sure you find the part number. Like in this case, right here is the part number. That way they're gonna send you exactly the same part. Make sure also the people who are selling the part have a good reviews, because some of them, they like to cheat. They just send you even part that is not working. They just want to make the money, and they send you a bad part. That happened to me before. So make sure you read the reviews, that a person is honest, and be careful with that. Okay, so that's the way you install the new motherboard. So it's not really hard. So you just go like that. Make sure this cable is on the top, and this one on the top. Just make sure it's press it and connect this cable. Make sure it's all fit in. Then right here, that's the LCD. Make sure it clicks. Okay, so now let's connect the camera. Okay, clicks. Okay, that's it. So now let's put the cover back. No, it's the other way, sorry. Okay. You hear the clicks? Okay. So now I'm gonna put all the screws. It's a good idea to use a screwdriver with some magnetic. One more thing, don't over tie the screws, because you can damage the screw. So just go until stop, like that. That's it. Okay, I am installing the last screw here. Okay, so looks pretty good. So now let's put back the memory card. Hold on 1 second. Okay, this phone has two options. So, but this one goes here on the top. That's why it didn't go through. Okay, like that. See, and also it has another option here. Okay, so that's the memory card. Then let's put the battery. Let's I'm doing things different here. Okay, so the pen goes right here. You see this little space? So go here, right there. And now let's put the cover back. I think it was really fast. So now let's turn it on. Okay. Okay, it's working, but it need the battery is drained, so it need to charge. See? That is working. Okay, guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please check my other videos. Please subscribe to my channel. That's the only way you can help me. Subscribing. Give me a like. Have a great day. Thank you so much.